Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how you set up your business plan, which is the next tab along from the system setup, which you've already done. In the business plan, you see here you have three tabs. You create your game plan, you learn how to accelerate your success, and then you launch your business. Now, you're being a traffic broker, which is the exact same model that you have with Facebook and Google. And all you will do with these is literally you watch these short videos, and then once you've done that, you continue to the next step, which will be into the accelerate your success, and that will then take you to the next step, which is launch your business. Once you've got all those bits and pieces done, which doesn't take very long at all to set up, what we'll then do is I'll then take you into the business center and show you how you actually get your links to market Traffic Authority, and by far the best way to launch and market Traffic Authority so that it saves you time, effort and energy. So if you like this video enough, don't forget to hit the bell button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well so you get notified of all the videos to this channel, and feel free to like, share and comment as appropriate beneath. Thanks for watching.